Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Okay, so the question we have is, which of the following statements about anhydrous aluminium chloride is correct? Okay, so जो हमें given options है, that is A, B, C and D, इनमें से बताना है कि कौन सी statement correct है regarding anhydrous aluminium chloride. Okay, so इन statements को हम one by one read out करते हैं. Okay, so the first we have is it sublimes at 100 degree Celsius under vacuum. Okay, so जो ये पहली statement है, ये statement बिल्कुल correct है. Okay, और हम बोल सकते हैं कि first statement सही है. Now the next statement is it exists as AlC3 molecule. Okay, so जो हमारी ये second statement है, ये correct नहीं है. क्यों? बिकॉज जो हमारा एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड है AlC3, ओके, ये वाइट सॉलिड है एंड इट एग्जिस्ट एज Al2C6. वी कैन से दैट इट एग्जिस्ट एज डाइमर. ओके, सो इट डू नॉट एग्जिस्ट एज AlC3. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स ये सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं है. थर्ड वन, इट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग Lewis base. Okay, so this third statement, it is also not correct because this AlC3, okay, basically it is electron deficient. That means it need electrons or it can gain electrons. So according to that, it acts as strong Lewis acid rather than Lewis base. Okay, so that means this third statement is not true. Now the fourth statement we have is it is not easily hydrolyzed. So ये statement भी हमारी true नहीं है. क्यों? Because it has a tendency to gain electrons. Okay, so it easily undergoes hydrolysis and forms an acidic solution. So the reaction it involves is basically AlC3 when it reacts with water. Okay, so जो हमें product मिलता है, that is AlOH thrice. Along with this, what we get? HCl. On balancing it, here we get 3, here we get 3. Okay, so that means it can be easily hydrolyzed. So the only correct option we have is option number A, that is it sublimes at 100 degrees Celsius under vacuum. Okay, I hope you understand it well. All the best.